This is cool, man.
Yeah,
I've never seen this in person. This is awesome. So is it like, what's your theme?
Just murder.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Wow, I appreciate it. I just need to put the windows up so I can hear.
Right on.
Because I do videos on YouTube and I like to record. So, could you tell me what's in here equipment-wise?
I've got 6 Nightshade version 4.5s. They've got the 8-layer coils. I was the first one to get them. I'm not sure of the ratio of the box. I don't know what it's tuned to. For power, I've got 3 Singer 320 amp alternators. 2 are externally regulated. My amps, I've got 3 Salt 8Ks at a half ohm each. And then I got a 3K SFB 3000 on each door.
This is cool, man.
Yeah,
I've never seen this in person. This is awesome.
That's
so is it like, what's your theme?
Just murder.
Murder, okay.
I'm real big into metal.
Okay.
I only play, you know, this stuff when I demo, but
yes, sir.
I'm a big metalhead, so
okay.
It look like a murder theme.
Yes, sir. I like it, man.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks for the information. Have you metered it yet? What was your...
No, never
metered. So demo them. Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Appreciate you putting the windows up for we can get info.
Okay.
That was awesome.
About to get rustified. Knock his ass out and kiss him on.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.